Using your own experience, I want you to think about how you have worked under a calendar that was created by somebody else and what worked well and what didn't. And you can think about that, maybe jot a few notes about that as well. But also, you will use hard data that comes from outside of you to create a calendar as well. So examples I gave are like things like appraisal calendars. I know that here in Texas, using the T-test appraisal system, there are specific time periods where things can happen. There's a pre-observation period, there's an observation period, there's a time when post-conferences have to be done, for example. And so those things need to be considered as you're creating your calendar, your administrative calendar. Also, you'll have professional development days. And so there are things that happen before that and during those and after those that are important when you're considering creating a calendar. Also, there's holidays and special events. Some of them are statewide, national. Some of them are very unique to your community. And so those have to be considered as well. You know, I worked all of my experience in elementary schools. And so I would say things like pre-K kindergarten roundup, needs to be considered. If you work in secondary, you'll want to consider sports schedules and when things happen, when UIL happens. Those kinds of considerations are going to be important when you consider creating your calendar. Also, testing days are a big part of our calendar, and those are usually prescribed. I mean, certainly in Texas, the STAR test dates are prescribed, but also you'll have beginning, middle, and end of year testing, often in elementary schools. You'll have unit testing, you'll have semester testing, and those things need to be considered as well as you're creating your calendar.